Hey Justin.
What?
I have a joke for you. Hey Justin, what do you call it when let me restart that. What do you call it when two transgender people have sex? Okay, hold on, I butchered that joke. What do you call it when two, like, short transgender people have sex?
I don't know what he did, bro.
I don't know what.
A micro transaction.
Superstar.
I think I'm gonna change my name to Baghdad Bobby. I just thought of that. That sounds really good. I think Baghdad Bobby is gonna be.
I really want to put that in the video. I don't know if that would be considered racist or not.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. I think it's just funny. Yeah, don't watch your right.
Forbid.
Watch your right. There's a gentleman there before. I bet
There's a gentleman?
There was.
Oh, fucking goddamn it.
Damn it, I don't.
I'm pissed.
On to the next.
That sniper's up there.
Enemy cruise missile incoming.
Get away from me, Alex.
Me? Justin, watch what's behind you then, you fucking asshole. Get away from me. Get away from me.
Nice aim.
Dude, you suck. Justin, nice aim. What are you doing? Good job.
My phone is falling off the bed.
Get away from me, he says.
Oh my god.
On to the next round.
There was so much going on. Holy
Oh, big fucking bungus.
big bunker.
I got 2 hit markers through the wall. 2 hit markers. Oh, I'm mad. Justin's camping in a damn van. I wonder why. Couldn't hit the brown side of the barn.
Over about my goddamn.
Where's the other one?
Keeps trying to
He's
throw
on B.
shit. Never works out for him.
Where's
I have so many C4s.
big
Taking the advantage.
Where's this fucking bitch?
Like, let me use the worst gun in the game.
Excuse me, what?
The Growl is like one of the most overpowered guns in the game.
It actually
Yeah,
got nerfed.
that's exactly.
Yeah, it's still good though.
Why would you do that? Why would that ruin it?
Peek, bitch. Oh, I got a hit marker. I hit him in the damn neck.
My aim was absolutely toxic.
And it'll faggot.
Oh my god!
Cancer Man 420. Nice. Oh, Piccadilly. Why don't we just fucking kill? I'll just go eat a shotgun shell.
Is it bad that I like Piccadilly?
Ooh, shotgun shell. Justin, nobody cares what you think.
When I was editing, I was going through and I'm like, 99% of the stuff Alex said, I cannot put in the video.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Trash.
I'm
How
trash.
are we trash? We're winning.
Switching side.
Saucy Bruce got obliterated.
The guy who's playing that I'm spectating right now looks like he takes for a living.
That's good. whatever pays the bills.
Is that what pays for the gold gun? Is the porno?
Yeah.
The porno that Justin does?
Definitely.
Really?
He's in
Goddamn
it.
right.
Shoot him.
You also
Why don't
have
you
the
throw a
strongest
grenade?
legs you could possibly have on your
I don't
gun.
have any.
No!
Ah!
Justin.
Oh, he's got a shotgun and a riot ship. Get him while he's reloading.
Justin.
No, Justin, take your time. Take your time.
Oh my
On
god.
to the next round. Pick it up.
I can't
Why do-
concentrate when you're yelling at me.
Why do you suck?
You guys lost to a guy with a 725.
Oh my gosh.
This fucking
Dude,
loser.
I'm like getting
Oh my
mad.
gosh. And here.
Last man standing. Finishing. Forget that round. On to the next.
I hope you obtain a peanut allergy within the next 1 to 2 years.
Trash.
Y'all got shit on by a knife, shut up.
Trash. Trash.
How are we trash? It's 5-1 right now. It's about to be 6-1.
Using the shittiest guns in the game. That's
Switching sides.
Look at that kid's name. Beta Boy 999.
Justin, hide. Hide. They're all coming. Oh Jesus Christ! My aim is not good.
Not the good.
Excuse me, are you?
Oh my
And
god!
then
There's three of them just in this back room. Just sitting in
I can fucking tell that. Hey Jake,
the room.
help me get in here. Oh my goodness!
You find them?
Yep, I did find him.
Are you kidding me?
Dustin, you suck. What the fuck? Did you just back us out? Did you just back us out? You did just
I
back
did not
us
get a
out.
single kill. Any round.
We played like 2
I
rounds.
had 3, and I looked at this guy who had the scope up, and I was like, oh, I'll peek him like really quick so that he shoots, and then I can quick scope him. Deletes me.
Jake, those memes about your teammate telling you not to peek because there's a sniper and you still peek, those are you.
I know.
Guys from the BOBE, are you guys down with the circle jerky?
Yes, sir. But it's pronounced Bobe.
Oh yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Listen, bro, you've got to grab. Listen, you grab your friend grabs his elbow, and then he grabs your elbow, and you guys just work it.
I wonder
Wait,
if Cooper's in the butt
Is the
stuff.
elbow for leverage? So you have something to just yank off of? What'd you say, pal?
Hey Jake, here's some more content for you.
Hello, big guy.
The coughing thing was like,
I don't have mics.
Your mom does.
No! Oh.
that man's whole
Jackpot on
career.
enemy out.
Hey, you know, anytime we talk, we should start a new thing. Anytime
my
we talk,
God, this
we
boom
roast people,
motherfucker.
and then we say, boom, roasted.
Fuck out of here.
Boom, roasted.
What? I wasn't even peeking.
Hey, this Trent man, he's going to town.
That boy Trent, man.
Let's go,
Let's get it.
Trent. Clap them
Shut up,
cheeks.
shut up, shut up.
Friendly UAV overhead.
He's behind you.
Oh, that's got me furious.
Hey, we're good. We're good.
Y'all
We got it.
simultaneously said, ah.
Push it down.
Oh shit! Did I just kill 2 people?
What? You guys just watched that man kill
No, I
me.
just shot between when he ran out. Oh! I'm on fire.
My health.
Hey, let's
Ooh, I'm getting hit.
oh,
Right on. Let's go, Matthew. Uribe Matthew.
Uribe? What kind of name is that? Oh my god, it's up to you, Joe.
Oh!
It's up to you.
Get clapped, brother! Get clapped!
I'm gonna clap you really hard that I'm gonna get clapped as well.
That's
That doesn't make sense. I'm gonna stop talking. Thank you.
Seven doctor of the abortion clinic.
I don't think anybody can clear their throat as long as I can.
That wasn't even that long.
No.
Target's ID. Get to the bomb and move in.
oh, there's 2 there.
Ah, shit, he's shotgun.
He thought I shotgunned him. I have the carbine. The gentleman back here.
Let's go.
He's in the back.
A bomb. Let's go, Matthew.
Oh, he came out to
Matthew. Let's go, Matthew.
Sorry.
Bro, shut up.
nigga.
No, but I'm carrying the team, bro. Shut up, your ass.
Shut up, hey.
I don't remember asking you, do I?
Dude,
stop
Fat fuck. Penises are awesome.
What? What the hell? Penis is awesome.
Speaking of penises, that guy's penis got deleted.
We did
Shot in the stomach, didn't die.
That's mine.
Of course he had the
Shit.
MP5.
Wait, bro, shut up. They came after me.
They were mine and you took them from
They came
me.
after
Did he die? And then Uribe Matthew.
Wait, did he just say that someone was
Did
eBay?
you just say someone's eBay?
No, I said Uribe Matthew.
Oh. We say that a lot as a joke.
come on,
Like something's
don't
eBay,
disrespect
like not as
Matthew.
good as the like original, like when you call something eBay. So we thought we just met another brother. That's all.
No,
real, bro.
The other team's pretty fucking eBay, if I were to say so myself.
Enemy bomb there.
That team's pretty even.
There you
Use your
go.
shield turret.
Embrace it. It's a
Your
great
shield
thing.
turret.
Oh my god. What do you think the shield turret was gonna do? Fucking block something?
Justin's like, use your shield turret. Pulls it out instantly.
What was that?
What do you have in his hand?
Fucking shield turret. What was he gonna do?
The guy's struggling.
Oh god! A metal
You can't go
device.
to the cave because they're going in 10 days.
Oh,
Search and
I love you.
destroy.
Thank you for trying.
Hey, watch us blow this lead. What?
Who got me infected, though?
Where is he?
Inside,
Let's
inside
go,
there.
grab
Who?
Canelo.
I said I wonder who got me infected.
I have no clue. I feel like absolute dick.
You got this.
Use your Wilson.
Laggy
Less
boy.
than a minute.
Oh, I do have one. Nah, I'll save it for next time.
Use it right
it,
now.
Use it for one
Little
kill.
bitch.
Come on, just do it. Yes. We just convinced him to use the wheels.
I swear to
Bro,
God.
please use the wheels.
Come on, do it.
Who did? He
Don't
called
be a
it in.
pussy.
Oh no, you canceled it.
You
No,
bitch.
it wouldn't let me do it.
Friendly Wilson on station.
Yeah.
There you go. That's how you end a round.
30 seconds.
Fuck is this guy?
Time's up. Move your
Why I'm going at it?
Oh, you have to plant the
Yeah,
bomb.
you have to plant the bomb.
And no balls you want.
Oh, this isn't good.
He's just waiting.
Yeah. How do I fucking
Just gonna
fix
hide.
this shit?
Oh yeah, you did.
Just
There you go, you got it, you got it. Hey, we got
I
time,
don't
we
get
got time,
No,
we're good.
We got all the time in the world.
He was right there.
You gotta plant the bomb.
Who's right there? Are you
The whole
kidding
time,
me?
you're just right over that brick wall.
search and
God
destroy.
damn it. He's right there.
Dude, how did you use your Wilson?
Hope he's confident.
Why did you know what, Justin? You're a piece of shit.
Target's ID. Get to the bomb and move in. The bomb, move.
I hope you fall in the hole.
Never come back out. Imagine being a
Hey,
bird.
Jake. My back hurts.
I don't know what that's like.
Search and release.
Might hurt from fucking colossal sized balls.
Bomb is
Is that pre-nut or post-nut?
Both.
Oh, hey, we could do come talk with me today. We can start the new segment.
Just when I see it go naked in general.
Oh my goodness. How dare you?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Get turned on.
Bro, watch this kill cam, watch this kill cam, bro. Oh shit, that was crazy.
Let's see what happens.
Boom. Locked on.
Bro, he
Oh, the
nutted.
headshot. Well,
Check the
GG.
lights, brother.